how to convert PDF to photo on mobile. If you want to convert a PDF file to a photo and save it as a photo, it is very simple to do so. You can just open your browser and just type in PDF to photo online. So just type in PDF to photo online like this, and you'll find many websites that are available for you. Now, one of the most popular one is I Love PDF. The I Love PDF also actually has an application, so you can use the app. So in this case, I'll just directly go here. It says me to select a PDF file. So now I can just tap on select PDF file. Here you can see a particular PDF document. So I'll just tap on this PDF file. Now let's say I want to convert this into an image. So tap on this option that says convert to JPG. So tap on it. It will take a while to convert it, but once it's done converting, you can tap the download button, and then after that, that PDF file will be converted to a photo. That's all it takes for us to convert PDF to photo in mobile. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.